it was like boom, boom, boom. That was it, you know, and I thought, this man's gonna do it. He's gonna save my husband's leg. And he did.
I wake up in the middle of the night and I think of these people. I am driving down the highway and I'll turn off the radio because I have a new idea about how I want to fix a problem that I didn't know how to fix 2 days ago. So it's always with me. It's always on my mind.
Dr. Tony Rhorer has a gift. In fact, it's a calling. The things he does, they don't teach in medical school. Many of the surgeries he performs, you won't find in any textbook. When other surgeons lose hope and don't know what to do, Dr. Rhorer is the guy they send you to. Formerly trained at Duke University, Dr. Rhorer also traveled the world learning what few have learned about post-trauma reconstruction. And as a result, he's become one of the top orthopedic trauma surgeons in the country. He's the man patients see when they're at the end of the line.
I tell them, look, if you ever saw the story about Rudolph, this is the island of misfit toys. And you're a misfit toy, but it's really the island of misfit patients. And we're not going to give up on you. We still have some weapons in our arsenal that we can use to combat the problem that you have. And we're going to do everything we can to figure it out.
Nobody knows that better than Robert Trujillo, who was seriously injured in a motorcycle accident in 2009. After all other doctors told him he would have to have his leg amputated, Robert went to see Dr. Rhorer. After numerous complex surgeries and reconstructions, Robert's leg was saved, and he's back to living a normal life.
With his help, my work, her pushing me to keep moving, we were able to pull it off.
It's about saving careers, too, sometimes professional football careers. Dan Williams broke his arm during the 2011 season. Team doctors referred him to Dr. Rhorer, who got Dan back out onto the field and better than ever. Dan calls Dr. Rhorer his MVP.
Anybody who breaks a bone or fractures anything, I definitely will refer Dr. Rhorer with no hesitation.
Then there's Steve Martin, who was severely wounded in action in Afghanistan in 2008. Steve tried for 14 months to save his legs. No doctor could. But no doctor had the courage to make the decision to amputate. In stepped Dr. Rhorer.
Being willing to take that chance because no other doctors were. No other doctors wanted, oh my God, no, don't cut off your legs. My life is, I'm so much better off now. I do way more than I did even before I was wounded. I was able to climb Mount McKinley in Alaska because Dr. Rhorer gave me the ability, he gave me the opportunity to get on with my life, to get me out of my wheelchair, to get me back out on living.
There's a whole psychology involved, and you really have to reach inside of that patient's spirit and understand them and believe in them and let them know that you believe in them.
As a man, I can't say on camera what I would like to say. But if he had to go beat the devil, I'd be right beside him.